fresh allegations, a reported physical confrontation, and once again, Andrew Mountbatten-Windsor is at the center of controversy. This time, the former prince is accused of clashing with one of Queen Elizabeth II's most trusted aides. According to claims detailed in a new royal biography, the disgraced royal allegedly became involved in a heated and possibly physical altercation inside Buckingham Palace, and the shocking details are raising serious questions. The allegations appear in a new book, Elizabeth II, written by royal author Robert Hardman, which explores the late monarch's inner circle and the dynamics behind palace walls. At the center of the incident is Vice-Admiral Sir Tony Johnstone-Burt, a senior royal aide and former Royal Navy officer who served as master of the household, and the trigger? A scheduling dispute. According to accounts cited in the book, Andrew wanted to host a pitch at palace event at Buckingham Palace, but there was a problem: no available space. Sir Tony reportedly told him he'd have to wait his turn like everyone else. That's when things allegedly escalated. A senior staff member reportedly claimed the Duke went for him. The confrontation is described as more than just verbal. One account refers to a kinetic moment, suggesting physical contact that shocked those present, and it didn't end there. The situation was reportedly serious enough that Prince Philip personally stepped in and wrote a letter of apology to Sir Tony, a move insiders say signals just how seriously the incident was taken within royal circles. And now, insiders familiar with the alleged incident mentioned in the book claim this wasn't an isolated moment. One source described the allegations as just the tip of the iceberg to Radar Online, pointing to what they claim is a long-standing pattern of bullying behavior towards staff and security personnel, a pattern that's now back under the spotlight. According to the book, the incident was formally reported. Sir Tony allegedly escalated the matter through official channels, informing Lord Peel, who then raised it with King Charles III. Charles is believed to have addressed the issue directly with his brother, but even after that, tensions allegedly didn't disappear. The book claims Andrew later contacted the Lord Chamberlain saying, "I gather you've been calling people and causing problems," a remark that only added to the unease. These allegations are surfacing at a particularly sensitive time. Andrew has already stepped back from public life following years of controversy tied to his association with convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. He was notably absent from the royal family's Easter Sunday service at St. George's Chapel, and he wasn't the only one missing from the key royal event. His daughters, Princess Beatrice and Princess Eugenie, also skipped the gathering, reportedly making alternative plans with the king's agreement. Meanwhile, senior royals including King Charles and Queen Camilla attended, projecting unity at a time of internal strain. Behind the scenes, however, the picture allegedly looks very different. A palace aide reportedly summed it up by saying, "The timing of these claims only reinforces the view that Andrew is toxic." This, as the legal cloud hasn't lifted yet for Andrew. The former Duke of York was recently released under investigation after being questioned over alleged misconduct in public office, linked to claims he shared sensitive information during his time as a trade envoy. He denies wrongdoing, but the scrutiny isn't going away. Now, with fresh bullying allegations, claims of a physical clash, and continued absence from royal life, questions are mounting once again.